Hi, I'm Nathan from CarToCamp, and these are our sleeping platforms for car camping. These sleeping platforms ship to your door and can be assembled and installed without any tools required. They're CNC'd and they can go together with these notches and grooves. There's Velcro up front, and you can have it assembled and installed in your vehicle in about 10 minutes at home. So we make these for over 1,000 different vehicles. So all the Subarus, all the Jeeps, the 4Runners, the Toyotas, Volvos. Check out our website for a full compatibility list, or reach out if your vehicle's not on there. But I can show you a tour about the features of this product. So it gives you that flat space to sleep at night in your vehicle. It levels out where your seats fold down and creates that slant so that you're more comfortable at night. And it gives you 11.5 cubic feet of storage space underneath. So lots of people like to use these bins because they act like drawers. I have my clothes stored in one bin and my food stored in the other. And moving on to the theme of storage, I can show you up front here. These hinged wings curve out to give you more shoulder room when sleeping at night, and then they lift up so that you can easily access all the storage space underneath the front of your platform. These platforms also extend past where your seats stop to give you more headroom when sleeping, and you can store your items underneath the front of the platform in the footwell there. So you can find more information about our sleeping platforms and other products that we sell for car camping at CarToCamp.com, and we have full walk-around tours on our YouTube channel at CarToCamp. Thanks.